This tomato chickpea stew is a one-pot meal that's flavorful, nutritious, and perfect for any day you need a comforting meal or want to meal prep for the week. Add the chopped onions and carrots to a large pan and sauté until softened. Next, add minced garlic and the spices, cumin, coriander, paprika, oregano, salt, black pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a subtle kick. Sauté for 1 minute. Pour in the chickpeas, canned tomatoes, vegetable broth, tahini, and olives. Stir everything together, bring it to a simmer, then reduce the heat. Let it cook until it reaches your desired consistency. The longer it simmers, the thicker and more flavorful it becomes. In the last few minutes, stir in some frozen spinach or kale. Serve the stew hot, garnished with fresh parsley, basil or cilantro, and a drizzle of olive oil. Pair it with warm, crusty bread or ladle it over rice or pearl couscous. Visit nutsandtwigs.com for all the details.